Are you over 60? Losing muscle doesn't have to be inevitable. I found 5 cheeses that can help rebuild strength naturally. I went through hours of scientific research and expert nutrition guidance to make sure this advice actually works. Stick around, because after we cover all 5 cheeses, I'll show exactly how to eat them, including the best times, servings, and little-known tricks that maximize muscle gains. These are details most seniors never hear. Let's get straight to it. First up is cottage cheese. If you want a cheese that practically screams muscle repair, cottage cheese is your secret weapon. It's packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles steadily over several hours. That means even while you're relaxing or sleeping, your muscles are quietly rebuilding. Scientific studies have shown that consuming casein before bed significantly increases overnight muscle protein synthesis. So, swapping a late-night cookie for half a cup of cottage cheese is like sending in a night shift construction crew to strengthen your muscles. Choose full-fat varieties. Yes, I said fat. It's essential for absorbing vitamins A, D, and K2, which are crucial for strong bones and muscles. Skipping fat here is like trying to build a house without scaffolding. It just won't hold up as well. Next up is a cheese that's hard, aged, and secretly packed with muscle-supporting magic. Number 2 on our list is Parmesan. Parmesan isn't just a flavorful topping, it's a protein powerhouse. Its protein density is higher than many soft cheeses, and it's rich in calcium and phosphorus, which are critical for proper muscle contractions. Sprinkle it on meals and you're literally priming your muscles to fire efficiently. Parmesan also contains casein-macropeptide, a compound linked to improved gut health and better protein utilization. A little goes a long way. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons sprinkled over pasta, roasted vegetables, or salads delivers a strategic muscle-boosting punch. Now, for something ideal for post-workout recovery, fast-acting protein that helps muscles bounce back quickly. Number 3 is Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese isn't just mild and holy. It's rich in whey protein, which digests quickly to repair muscles after exercise. Pair a slice with a short resistance session or even a brisk walk, and you're kickstarting muscle repair immediately. It also contains B vitamins and zinc, nutrients that fuel energy metabolism and protein synthesis. Swiss is flexible. You can melt it into eggs, toss it over fruit, or fold it into sandwiches. Your muscles don't care about taste. They just know they're getting stronger. Time for a cheese that's tangy, flavorful, and offers benefits you might not expect. Feta cheese is number 4. Feta isn't just for salads. It's a protein-rich cheese that contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which can help preserve muscle and reduce fat mass. CLA is especially valuable for seniors because it helps combat age-related muscle loss while improving body composition. Feta also offers probiotics that support gut health. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, reduces inflammation, and speeds muscle recovery. Even a small amount, 1 to 3 ounces, added to salads, omelets, or roasted veggies, gives you a potent muscle-supporting boost. Next, a cheese that might seem indulgent but actually has hidden science-backed benefits. Blue cheese is number 5 on our list. Blue cheese is bold, tangy, and packed with calcium and protein. But its secret weapon is polyphenols, compounds that combat inflammation. Low-grade inflammation can slow muscle repair, reduce strength gains, and increase your injury risk. Polyphenols in blue cheese help your muscles recover faster and more efficiently. Pair it with walnuts or a drizzle of honey to combine protein, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It's a small bite with big benefits. And now, as a bonus cheese, something most seniors wouldn't expect, I've saved the best for last. It supports muscle growth, aids digestion, and pairs perfectly with nearly any meal. Our bonus cheese is mozzarella. Mozzarella is famous for pizza and caprese salads, but it's also a muscle-friendly powerhouse. Low in sodium and high in protein, it adds quality calories without bloating. Its secret weapon is lactoferrin, a peptide that supports muscle growth, bone strength, and immune function. Mozzarella is versatile. 2 to 4 ounces as a snack or meal addition, paired with a carb source like tomato or whole grain crackers, fuels post-workout recovery efficiently. Now, here's a simple, consolidated guide to timing and servings, so you get the most out of all these cheeses. Cottage cheese, 1 cup before bed for slow, overnight muscle repair. Parmesan, 1 to 2 tablespoons sprinkled on meals for calcium, protein, and minerals. Swiss cheese, 1 to 2 slices post-workout for fast protein absorption and recovery. Feta, 1 to 3 ounces in salads or omelets for CLA, probiotics, and gut support. Blue cheese, 1 ounce as a flavorful anti-inflammatory boost. Mozzarella, 2 to 4 ounces post-workout or with a carb-rich meal to maximize muscle repair and nutrient uptake. Again, timing matters. Slow-digesting proteins like cottage cheese shine before bed, while fast-digesting proteins like Swiss and mozzarella work best after exercise. Sprinkle, slice, and pair strategically to turn everyday meals into muscle-building opportunities. Cheese variety isn't just for taste, it's for science. Rotating cottage, Swiss, feta, mozzarella, and Parmesan ensures you get a broader range of proteins, peptides, minerals, and probiotics. Over 60, this diversity helps maintain lean muscle, strong bones, and metabolic efficiency. Exercise amplifies everything. Even light resistance moves, chair squats, wall push-ups, or resistance band curls, dramatically improve how your muscles respond to these proteins. Combine the right cheese with simple exercises, and your body will repair faster and grow stronger. Digestion is also key. Seniors often experience slower digestion or reduced stomach acid, which can limit protein absorption. Aged cheeses like Parmesan and blue cheese are partially broken down, making their proteins easier to digest. Mozzarella, Swiss, and feta digest readily, ensuring your muscles get what they need. And a bonus tip, pairing cheeses with a pinch of black pepper or acidic fruits like apple or tomato enhances mineral absorption. Calcium, phosphorus, and zinc, vital for muscles and bones, are absorbed more efficiently. This subtle adjustment turns your snack into a turbocharged repair session. Picture a day using this cheese strategy. Cottage cheese before bed, feta in lunch, Swiss after a short resistance session, mozzarella post-exercise. A sprinkle of Parmesan on dinner, and a touch of blue cheese to reduce inflammation. Every bite strategically reinforces muscle strength and recovery. This isn't just eating cheese, it's a targeted science-backed plan for anyone over 60. Each cheese contributes uniquely. Cottage cheese works overnight. Parmesan primes muscle contractions. Swiss accelerates post-workout repair. Feta supports body composition and gut health. Blue cheese reduces inflammation, and mozzarella, our bonus cheese, enhances growth and digestion. By following this plan with consistent exercise, rotation, and smart pairings, cheese transforms from comfort food into a powerful ally in preserving strength, building muscle, and supporting long-term health after 60.